Hello everyone, and welcome to a brief overview of our discussion boards. So I believe you have a discussion board each week from weeks 1 through 7, but not in week 8. So with that being said, I just want to show you how the discussion board is generally going to run. You are going to be graded on these discussion boards. They're going to have different prompts depending on the content that we're covering. So for the first week, we're going to do an introductory discussion board where I want to learn a bit about you, your background in psychology, and anything else you care to share to kind of get us to know one another. So this will be due by May 23rd, 11:59 p.m. So what you're going to do is click into that discussion board. I'm clicking at it from a different point, but let me look at it from how it's going to look in your folder so you get a better idea. So when you're in Unit 2, I believe that's where I put it, you're going to see this discussion board is going to give you the prompt. You're going to click into the discussion board and create a thread. You will not be able to see other people's threads until you write your own discussion board. So put in a subject. Please remember to put in a subject, as well as the content inside of the message. Now, what you can do is enter your text in a Word document and copy and paste it into this web page, because I know I've done it and I've seen it happen to students where they type out this whole response and then something screws up on the computer and they can't get it back. And that's just annoying. Which, by the way, if you ever accidentally delete something, Control Z inside the text box. So I would recommend reading the prompt, maybe copying and pasting it into a Word document and answering it in the Word document, and then copying and pasting it over to the discussion board. Please do not attach Word documents inside of our discussion board. I know some classes may have you do that, but that is not what I want you to do in our class. So what you're going to focus on is the bulk of your response, your original post. There's going to be a word specification on it just because I want it to be substantiated. I want it to have some bulk so we can talk about it. 2, you're going to develop an open-ended original question to ask your colleagues. Now, for the first one, it could be whatever you want. But for the subsequent discussion boards, it's going to be related to our course material. And 3rd, you are going to reply to at least one colleague with substance. Do not do the cheerleader post like, I agree with you, great post. That's not going to cut it for this class. Okay, I want you should be really discussing and answering their questions and commenting on their posts. Give them some substance. And remember our community guidelines. If you do everything according to task, there is a rubric located within each discussion board. And now I'm trying to figure out how y'all can see it. Well, anyway, if you meet the word count minimum and you answer all of the question prompts, generally that will earn you full points on all discussion board assignments. So let me know if you have any questions on this.